Hey guys, it's Zach and welcome back to the shop. I decided to go off-roading a few weeks ago and made a little bit of a problem. I decided to break off these fenders, so I immediately called my friends at Mudbuster and had them send me a brand new set. So we're gonna take these off today, even though I stitched them back together to kind of work for now. But we're gonna take these off and put on the Mudbusters, which are a lot more sturdy, and get these looking a little bit better than this little wavy mess that you see right now. So let's get started by taking these off, and then I will circle back after that. All right, so we got all the fenders off, but you can see there's quite a bit of dirt underneath. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the time now to pull it outside and wash off all the dirt, and then we'll get started on installing the Mudbusters. And check it out, I actually changed my shirt as well. Mudbusters, baby. All right guys, so here we are the next day, and I cleaned everything up. I used SC1 to clean everything up. It's probably overkill, but I want it to be nice and protected before we put on the new fenders. So we're gonna get started on the front first, and you're gonna need a 9/32 drill bit. It's all labeled in the instructions, and the kit actually comes with all the fasteners that you need as well, which is super cool. So let's get started on the front now. Let's get started on the front now. All right, so there we have it, folks. I am super happy on how this came out. I pulled it outside just so we can actually see it, and I'll do some close-up shots for you and stuff. The only thing that I did different than what the instructions tell you to do is I added an extra bolt down here just to give it a little bit more rigidity. Plus I had some of the extra holes from the original fender flares that I kind of wanted to fill, otherwise it just kind of looked a little goofy. And then when I was all said and done, I did some, was it SC1 over all of it. So next time we go off-roading, I don't think any of the water or dust is going to stick to it. At least you know, as much as it normally would. But yeah, I'm super happy. It looks super nice. And I love how it's got the harder angles than the other ones do. My other one was real kind of curved. These just have that real, you know, ironed out kind of angles to it. So, but if you want to get a kit like this, check out the mudbusters.com. I'll leave a link down below for you to check out the ones that I used. And if you have any questions, you can always leave a comment down below as well. Thanks for watching, folks, and I will see you next time.